Welcome back guys. What I've got here is a sash jammer that gives you extra security for your UPVC windows and doors. They cost only a few pounds each, so wherever you purchase these, make sure it's not cheap plastic. The material should be hard like metal and feel a bit heavy in the hands too. So it's got two slots for the screws and the semi-rotate arm. Now if the arm is very loose, just tighten the screw. So with the pack you should get some screws and some fastening caps. Insert the large fastening cap at the back of the arm. Right, to drill the holes you need a 3mm drill bit. Align your sash jammer and make sure it's not too close to the edge. Just leave a slight gap, otherwise the door will not open and shut properly. Once you're happy, drill the holes slowly with slight pressure. Once you feel the drill bit has drilled itself a way in, do not go any further, as the screw will do the rest of its job. Now if you were to install the sash jammer like this, which I'll call it 3 to 9, the arm may slide down while someone is trying to open the door when they got the handle down. So I'll install it the right way up, which is 9 to 3. And now opening, closing and locking will not be a problem. So when sash jammers are installed, intruders will find it tough getting through these doors, as they will be looking for the last option. For the outside there are sash jammers available with key locks. These locks are also great for windows too. Once everything is installed, apply the fastening caps and you're done. Keep safe guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.